Is your Siemens EQ6 milk frother suddenly not working or producing weak steam and no foam? Don't worry, this usually comes down to a blocked nozzle, dirty connectors, or the wrong milk type. Let's fix it step by step. By the end of this video, your milk should be frothing perfectly again. Step 1. Check the milk suction pipe. Disconnect the milk pipe and rinse it thoroughly. Use warm water and blow air through the tube to ensure it's not blocked. Oily residue can build up and stop the suction. Step 2. Soak and clean the frother parts. Remove all frother attachments, including the metal nozzle and any plastic fittings. Soak them in warm, soapy water for 15 minutes. Use a small brush or toothpick to remove any dried milk residue inside. Step 3. Run the Clean Milk System cycle. On the menu, go to Cleaning and Maintenance, Clean Milk System. Follow the prompts using water only. This clears any internal blockages and steam chamber buildup. Step 4. Use the right milk. Make sure you're using cold, low-fat, or barista-style milk. Whole milk or plant-based options with thickeners can foam poorly or clog the system. Step 5. Check for steam pressure. If the frother still isn't producing steam, try dispensing hot water. If steam or hot water is weak or missing, descale the machine. Mineral buildup can block the heating chamber. That should get your frother working again, and your latte's nice and foamy. Still having issues? It could be an internal blockage. Contact Siemens support using the link in the description. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance fixes. Got another EQ6 problem? Drop it in the comments. We might cover it next. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next brew.